Good morning, Samiksha.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm very fine, like very proud and very fine.
Very good. यहाँ इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm just feeling like very proud of myself and like even very grateful to India Book of Records. Like just feeling very proud and like yeah.
अच्छा, tell me something about the journey of making these 65 reels in 10 minutes. Why was the limit of 10 minutes only, and why was the limit of 65 reels only?
It was not, I did not prepare a limit or something. It was like I tried to make how many I could make.
Okay.
So I tried to make a lot of reels and I did not decided the time. I tried like how much less time I could do, and the last time was 9 minutes 57 seconds. At the first time when I tried this, I made it in 10 minutes 17 seconds.
Okay.
So I tried to reduce the seconds
the time.
and make it is more working like, and more difficult for the other persons. Like I'm going to try to break my own record.
Okay.
That is what my thing is. Yes. And I did not exactly decided the limit. That was like how much less I can do, how much hard work I could do and do this.
Okay.
That was the thing.
What were the challenges did you face while you were doing this thing, and what was the reason behind that?
Challenges was to make my like the reason was to make my parents proud about me, and like the challenges were many. I had to learn all the 65 reels, dialogues, and which needed a lot of hard work, of course. So the challenges were many because the corona period was there. I was like everyone was infected and it was like a very bad period for us. And so I like rather than just scrolling reels, I like decided no, I have to do something great. I have to do something innovative as no one is doing right now. So then a lot of challenges came. My own chacha was like very much infected in that time, so a lot of things I was like a little emotional, but I had to do this. So then I made it like 65 reels and I learned them. That was the main problem, like to learn all the reels. So I took one day to like do 20 reels around and to enact it properly and with the expressions coming out. It needed hard work. So these were the challenges, and my mother was always there to support me there.
Right. Can you say something about your daughter? आप जो भी बोलना चाहें बोल सकते हैं।
मुझे गर्व है अपनी बेटी पे कि मैं उसकी मम्मी हूँ, और इसने मतलब मैंने चाहा कि इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में इसने नाम दर्ज कराना चाहिए, उसने करा। मतलब सब चीज़ मैंने जैसे बोला इसने किया। कोरोना पीरियड में जहाँ सभी कोई अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे थे, इसने कभी अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया, कोई गेम नहीं खेले, मतलब अपने जो एक्टिविटी है या अपने सब चीज़ें किया इसने। मतलब कुकिंग भी करने लगी मेरे साथ अपना। हाँ, उसने मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखी। कोरोना में मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं, हम लोग के बीच कोरोना आके चला गया। ये बच्चे दोनों भी पूरे मेरे साथ रहे हमेशा। काम हम मतलब काफ़ी हेल्प की इन्होंने मेरी। और रिकॉर्ड बनाया तो मुझे तो इतनी खुशी लगी जब वो रिकॉर्ड आया, तो मतलब ऐसा बता ही नहीं सकते कि कैसी खुशी लगी।
एग्जैक्टली। जैसे एक तो आपने गाइड किया इसको, और किसने गाइड किया आपको?
My father, of course, and my brother. Like the main esteem of me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like immense pleasured for my family. Like,
Okay,
all the-
that's very kind of thing, and very good kind of thing. And what do you expect in your future plans?
I definitely expect that I'm gonna break my own records. That is what I said. Like, yeah, I really want to break my own records and go far and far.
Okay.
So
You have made the record with India of Records. Now I would like to say that you can make it with Asia Book of Records also.
yeah, I made Asia Book of Records, Genesis World Records.
Okay.
I made all of them.
Okay,
All
that's
three.
wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you, Samiksha.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
That
you.
was very grateful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.